Superheroes have been a part of our best memories for years, and they never go out of style. Movie studios are making billions from these characters, but what if you could make money from them too, just by using AI? Right now, AI-generated superhero videos are taking over YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. They're racking up millions of views, and creators are making serious money every month. Just look at some of these channels. One Instagram page alone has over 1 million followers, and almost every video they post goes viral. Here is a YouTube channel, just look at their performance. Every AI-generated superhero video is going viral, racking up millions of views. The earnings from these AI-generated superhero videos are absolutely unbelievable. And the best part? You don't need any advanced skills to get started. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral AI superhero videos using 100% free tools. This niche is still wide open and new creators are growing fast. Let's break it down into a simple step-by-step process so you can start making these viral AI superhero videos today. Step 1. Generating a superhero story idea. The first thing we need is a great superhero story idea for our video. To do this, head over to ChatGPT and ask for a story based on your favorite superhero. ChatGPT will generate unique and creative ideas that can serve as the foundation for your video. Once you have your story idea, you'll need a well-crafted prompt to generate visuals. Don't worry. I've already prepared a ready-to-use prompt for you, which you can find in the description box below. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate high-quality AI image prompts based on your superhero story. Step 2. Generating AI images for your video. Now that we have our image prompts ready, it's time to convert them into stunning visuals using AI image generation tools. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you get the best results. Using Ideogram AI, copy the first image prompt that we generated earlier. Head over to Ideogram AI and paste the prompt into the input box. Next, select the aspect ratio for your image. Since we're creating videos, a 9:16 vertical ratio works best for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now choose an image style. Ideogram AI offers a variety of artistic styles. Experiment with different options to find the perfect look for your superhero image. Once everything is set, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Ideogram AI will create a high-quality superhero image for you. Repeat the process for the second image prompt and continue generating all the required images one by one. Using Piclumen AI. Piclumen is a cutting-edge, web-based AI image generator. If you prefer Piclumen, here's how you can generate your superhero images. Click on the Create button to start a new image generation. Paste the AI prompt into the input box. Choose an appropriate image style that matches the theme of your superhero story. Select the image ratio. Again, a 9:16 vertical ratio is ideal for video content. Click Generate, and within moments, you'll have a stunning AI-generated image. Continue this process for all the image prompts needed for your video. Step 4. Transforming your images into an amazing AI video. Now that we have our high-quality AI-generated superhero images, it's time to bring them to life by turning them into an amazing video. For this, we'll be using AI-powered video generators that make the process incredibly easy and require no advanced editing skills. First, let's start with Kling AI. Creating your video with Kling AI. Follow these steps to generate a stunning AI superhero video using Kling AI. Go to Kling AI and navigate to the AI video generation section. Upload your images one by one. Start with the first image, then upload the second, and continue adding all the images you generated earlier. Paste the video generation prompt into the designated box. You'll find a ready-to-use prompt in the description box below. Set the video duration to match the pace and style you want for your video. If you're creating a short-form video for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, aim for 7 to 15 seconds per scene. Choose the aspect ratio that best suits your platform. 9:16 vertical for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. 16:9 widescreen for traditional YouTube videos. Once everything is set, click Generate, and within moments, Kling AI will create a dynamic AI-powered superhero video for you. Now we will use another AI video generator. Video Studio works faster than Kling AI, making it an excellent choice for quickly creating high-quality videos. Go to Video Studio and navigate to the Image to Video section. Click on Upload Images and select the 2 superhero images you generated earlier. Make sure they are uploaded in the correct sequence for a smooth transition. Paste the video prompt in the designated text box. This prompt will guide the AI in generating motion, effects, and animations to make the scene dynamic. You'll find a ready-to-use video prompt in the description box. Below the image upload section, adjust the video duration. Since we're creating a short cinematic clip, set it to around 5 seconds for a quick but impactful scene. Customize additional settings to enhance the final output. Aspect ratio. Choose 9:16 vertical for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or 16:9 widescreen for full-length YouTube videos. Adjust the movement level to control how dynamic the animation feels. Experiment with these settings for a more visually stunning result. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Within a few seconds, Video Studio will process the images and create an AI-powered superhero animation. By following these same simple steps, you can create even more amazing AI-powered superhero videos and grow your channel fast. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.